Hello people, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this 3D section view where some of the parts are sticking out and some of it has a section view, as you can see here. I think it looks very clean and nice, and you can kind of see what's happening inside when this thing is animated, and it looks very cool. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so starting off, I have this steam engine that I modeled, and this is an assembly, and I would like to cut off this top half right here, but still have the pistons inside shown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, try and get the whole thing in view, if I can get it to work. There we go. I'm going to come up to View, and then I'm going to go to this quarter section view right here and turn this into a 3/4 section view. Now, I'm going to start by selecting a flat surface. This one works right here. Clicking on it, and then moving this to about the halfway point for me. I'm going to click this next button, and I'm going to go to this top portion up here, find a surface, and make this go all the way down. Let's say right about here. I think that's good. I'm going to continue. Now we have this section view. And this is normal, this is what we like, but I would like these pistons right here to pop out of the assembly. So you can see right here, if I go into the right view, it just kind of cuts off right here. I want it to be 3D inside, with the outside body not there. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to start by going to one of these parts. And I'll start on this piston right here, and I'll double click this. This will put me into the editor for this part, and then I'm going to come up to the top ribbon up here and go to Tools, and then Document Settings, and then Modeling, and then Participate in Assembly and Drawing Sections. I'm going to uncheck this. Once I uncheck that, I can hit Apply, and then Close. Now, if I go to Return up here, you can see that it is sticking out of the section view. If we go to right here, you can see it's popping out. And now I can go ahead and do that to the rest of them. So I'm going to go to the second piston right here. I'm going to double click on it again, go up to Tools, Document Settings, Modeling, Participate in Assembly and Drawing Sections. Apply, Close, Return. And it does it for this piston as well. Now one cool thing, if I go to this bolt right here, this bolt is the same as this bolt. So when I change one of these, the others are going to change as well. So if I go to Tools again, Document Settings, Modeling, Participate, Apply, Close, and Return, you'll see that all of these bolts that are the same, those stayed together, which is very nice. It makes it a lot faster. Now I've gone ahead here and finished all the parts that I wanted to stick out, and I think this looks very cool so far. And you can see here, if I go to this right-hand view, all the parts that I want to stick out are sticking out. And you can always go through and adjust your section view again, and that will not change anything. All these parts will still be sticking out. This just looks very cool to me. If I come over here to this rotational, and I go to drive, I have this drive set up, so you can see that this thing moves, which is pretty cool. And it's slower now, but I have sped it up in other videos, and it's going good. Alright, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment. If you have any suggestions for future videos, just leave a comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram. That should be in the description of this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Have an amazing day, and I will see you later. Goodbye.